Bluetooth audio for C6 Corvette.
Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today we are in the 2008 Corvette C6 that does not have Bluetooth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can connect your new iPhone 7 onto your old 08 Corvette without Bluetooth. And you do not need to replace the head unit. You can keep it exactly the way you can keep everything stock, but you'll be able to integrate your new iPhone with the system. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so first you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get this gadget. There. Now it's 87.9. You can hear that there's nothing but static. So now I'm going to connect the iPhone, connect the dongle with my transmitter. Go to Pandora, iHeartRadio, or whichever music app that you want to use, and play. I choose acoustic, so you can actually hear the sound quality. The sound quality is CD-like quality, unlike any other transmitter, which is muffled with statics and a lot of noise. This one is 100% clean, no static, no distortion.
So this gadget is really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original, you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me, GizmoGadgets.com, you can get him. And this is a beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006, so I bought this thing. It's the transmitter. Really worth it, man. Trust me, guys, get this right here. It's worth it. GizmoGuy.com. This is not a paid advertisement, but I just wanted to help you, all you guys out there that have old cars and you want to keep your original radio, but yeah, you want to get new music and you want to use your smartphone. I got a Samsung Galaxy 8 and it's perfect. I love it. I want to thank the guy who invented this. I thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor, try it. It really works. All right, guys, have fun, enjoy your Corvette. I love it, man.
And now you can play all your music on your phone. It's absolutely perfect. Plus, you can answer any calls on your steering wheel controls. Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product.
So with my device, number one, you'll be able to stream music from your phone through your car stereo without Bluetooth. Number two, you'll get to talk hands-free. And number three, you get to GPS integration. You'll be able to hear all your GPS instructions through your car speakers loud and clear by using my device. So you get this device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.
Add Bluetooth audio for C6 Corvette with Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.